I am Ryan Ali. Article 11. Justifying circumstances. The following do not incur any criminal liability. 1. Any who acts in defense of his person or rights provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression is an actual physical assault, or at least a threat or inflict real and imminent injury upon a person. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it, whether or not the means employed is reasonable, will depend upon the nature and quality of the weapon used by the aggressor. This physical condition, character, size, and other circumstances, and those of a person defending himself, and also the place and occasion of the assault. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. It would be proportional to the aggression and adequate to steer the aggressor to its commission. Number 2. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate natural or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and those by consanguinity within the fourth certain degree, provided that circumstances are present and the further requisite in case the provocation was given by the person attacked that the one making defense had no part therein. Number 3. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisites mentioned in the first circumstances of this article are present, and that the person defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other evil motive. Number 4. Any person who, in order to avoid an will or injury, does an act which causes damage to another, provided that the following requisites are: first, that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second, that the injury feared be greater than done to avoid it. Third, that there be no other practical and less harmful means of prevention. Number 5. Any person who acts in the fulfillment of a duty or in the lawful exercise of a right or office. Number 6. Any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by a superior for some lawful purpose.